Okay, having a wee look at this question here. So it's straightforward integration for the first bit. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. Add 1 to the power is 3 over 2, divide by it. X reappears. Add 7 there. Add 1 to the power, divide by it. And don't forget your c. So tidying that up, x4 plus 4/3 x to the 3 over 2 plus 7x minus 1 over x plus c. Now I've got to find the intersection point here. So to find the intersection point, you put them both equal to each other. It's quadratic, so everything goes on one side. So bring this over. So you've naught equals x squared. It's going to be minus 4x. Take away x is minus 5x. 4, take away 4 is 0, so that's gone. So factorise out your x. So they meet at x equals naught and they meet at x equals 5. To find the y coordinate, sub it into either equation. So I'll go for the easier one. So x is naught and y is going to be 4, and that's the one they wanted you to verify. Part 2. Got to find the area. I've got two distinct areas. So I've got the triangle area, so I'm going to consider it first. So consider the triangle area. Now I need to find, well I know this here point is 4, I need to find here. So if I put y equals 0 into this equation, so 0 equals x plus 4, x is minus 4. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So the base is 4, the height is 4, and divide by 2. So it's 8. Now I'm going to consider the curve. So consider curve. And I want the area between naught. I've got to find where it hits the curve at. So let's go over to the side. So I am putting y equals 0. So this is the curve. So x squared minus 4x add 4 equals 0. What multiplies to give 4 and adds to give minus 4, but it's minus 2 and minus 2. So x equals 2. So I'm integrating between 0 and 2. I'm integrating the curve. Put a wee circle around that. Okay, so add 1, divide by it, add 1, divide by it, x reappears, and 2 and 0. So putting your 2 in, 8 over 3 minus 2 times 2 squared is 4 plus 8, and then putting in your 0. So I have got over here 8 over 3. Oh, take away 8, add 8 disappears, so it's just 8 over 3. So your total area is your triangle at 8 and your curve at 8 over 3, which is 2 2/3. So it's 10 2/3 altogether.